Have you ever wondered how Mediterranean cultures enjoy a diet full of flavor and rich ingredients while maintaining some of the lowest obesity rates in the world? The answer will surprise you. It's not about cutting calories or avoiding fat. In fact, it involves embracing one particular fat that not only enhances your meals but also supports fat loss and overall health. Yes, you heard that right, a fat that helps you lose fat. Can you use it correctly? Or could you be sabotaging your results without even knowing? Stick around as we uncover this Mediterranean fat loss secret. Welcome to Levitas. Why you should eat extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is not just a culinary staple. It's a powerhouse of health benefits, especially when it comes to weight management. Unlike refined oils, extra virgin olive oil is cold-pressed, meaning it retains its rich nutrient profile, including antioxidants like polyphenols and vitamin E, as well as heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. These compounds have been shown to reduce inflammation, balance cholesterol levels, and even improve metabolic health, key factors for sustainable fat loss. But not all olive oils are created equal. Lesser quality olive oils, often labeled as pure or light, undergo refining processes that strip away the beneficial compounds, leaving behind little more than empty calories. Some are even blended with cheaper oils, undermining their health-promoting properties. The secret lies in choosing authentic extra virgin olive oil, verified by certification labels, a robust flavor, and a slightly peppery aftertaste, an indicator of its antioxidant content. When consumed as part of a balanced food plan, extra virgin olive oil becomes a versatile ally in your weight loss journey. It's not just about adding oil, it's about adding the right kind of oil. How does it promote satiety and weight loss? One of the reasons extra virgin olive oil is a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet is its ability to keep hunger at bay. It contains oleic acid, a monounsaturated fat that stimulates the production of a hormone called oleoethanolamide, or EA. Oleoethanolamide signals the brain to reduce appetite, making you feel full and satisfied for longer periods. This natural regulation of hunger is a game changer for anyone looking to cut down on mindless snacking or overeating. Additionally, extra virgin olive oil slows down the digestion of carbohydrates. This helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, which are crucial for controlling cravings and avoiding energy crashes. The result is that you're less likely to reach for that mid-afternoon snack or indulge in high-calorie comfort foods. The rich, flavorful nature of extra virgin olive oil also enhances meals, making even simple dishes feel more indulgent. This sensory satisfaction can reduce the psychological urge to overeat. By integrating it into your daily routine, whether drizzled over salads, mixed into dips, or paired with high-quality proteins, you create a foundation for natural, effortless weight loss control. It's not about restriction, it's about feeling nourished and in control. Can it boost fat metabolism? Extra virgin olive oil doesn't just help you eat less, it actively supports your body in burning fat more efficiently. The monounsaturated fats in it enhance the activity of enzymes involved in fat oxidation, essentially helping your body convert stored fat into usable energy. This is particularly beneficial for reducing visceral fat, the harmful fat that accumulates around your organs and increases the risk of metabolic diseases. Moreover, its rich antioxidant profile, especially its polyphenols, helps combat oxidative stress, a factor that can impair metabolic processes. By reducing inflammation and improving the function of mitochondria, the energy-producing units in your cells, extra virgin olive oil optimizes your body's ability to utilize fat as a primary fuel source. Studies have also shown that extra virgin olive oil can improve insulin sensitivity, which is critical for fat metabolism. When your cells respond better to insulin, your body is less likely to store excess calories as fat and more likely to use them for energy. Incorporating it into your diet doesn't just promote fat loss, it helps create a metabolic environment where your body becomes more efficient at maintaining a healthy weight. How much should you consume for fat loss? While extra virgin olive oil offers numerous health benefits, moderation is key to reaping its rewards without overdoing it. A general guideline for weight loss is to consume about 1 to 2 tablespoons, or 15 to 30 milliliters, of extra virgin olive oil per day. This amount provides enough monounsaturated fats and antioxidants to support fat loss while keeping your energy intake in check. Timing also matters. Many experts recommend dividing your daily intake across meals to maximize its satiety and metabolic effects. For instance, you could drizzle 1 tablespoon over your salad at lunch and use another to enhance a dinner dish. This not only spreads out the benefits, but also prevents anyone's meal from becoming too calorie-dense. It's worth noting that extra virgin olive oil is calorie-dense, with about 120 calories per tablespoon. While these are nutrient-packed calories, they can add up quickly if you're not mindful. Stick to the recommended serving sizes and pair it with other whole, unprocessed foods like vegetables, and high-quality proteins for the best results. By maintaining this balance, you'll harness its fat loss potential without compromising your overall goals. Does it work better on an empty stomach? Drinking extra virgin olive oil on an empty stomach is a popular practice among Mediterranean cultures, and there's some science to support its potential benefits. When consumed first thing in the morning, it's quickly absorbed, allowing its antioxidants and monounsaturated fats to go to work immediately. This can kickstart your metabolism and prepare your digestive system for the day ahead. One key advantage of consuming it on an empty stomach is its ability to promote bile production. Bile is essential for breaking down fats and absorbing fat-soluble nutrients, such as vitamins A, D, E, and K. By stimulating bile flow, it enhances digestion and supports overall metabolic efficiency. Additionally, taking extra virgin olive oil in the morning can help regulate appetite throughout the day. The oleic acid in it activates satiety hormones early on, reducing the likelihood of overeating later. However, this practice isn't mandatory for everyone. You can still enjoy its benefits when consumed with meals, especially if you're using it to enhance the flavor and nutrient absorption of other foods. Whether you choose to take it on an empty stomach or incorporate it into your meals, the key is consistency. Find what works best for your lifestyle and stick to it. Are there downsides to drinking olive oil? While extra virgin olive oil is packed with benefits, it's important to be aware of potential downsides. One common issue is overconsumption. Because it is calorie-dense, drinking large amounts can lead to an unintended calorie surplus, which may hinder weight loss efforts. Stick to the recommended 1 to 2 tablespoons per day to avoid this pitfall. For some people, drinking it straight may cause mild digestive discomfort, such as nausea or diarrhea, especially if their body isn't accustomed to it. To minimize this, start with smaller amounts and gradually increase your intake. Mixing extra virgin olive oil with lemon juice or water can also make it easier to digest. Another consideration is quality. Not all olive oils are created equal, and low-quality or adulterated oils can lack the health benefits of authentic extra virgin olive oil. Always choose certified extra virgin olive oil and store it in a cool, dark place to preserve its nutrients. Lastly, individuals with certain medical conditions, such as gallbladder issues, should consult their healthcare provider before significantly increasing their intake. By being mindful of these potential drawbacks, you can safely incorporate this Mediterranean secret into your routine and unlock its full fat release potential. In conclusion, extra virgin olive oil stands out as a fat loss ally, due to its nutrient-dense profile and unique health benefits. It promotes satiety by regulating hunger hormones, enhances fat metabolism through improved mitochondrial function, and supports efficient digestion when consumed on an empty stomach. For optimal results, choose high-quality extra virgin olive oil, stick to 1 to 2 tablespoons daily, and pair it with balanced meals. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated, it helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.